Sanibonani, nginibingelele. It's your boy Mr. KIG on MIC, keeping it 100, keeping it fresh. Now uyazi ke it's your director Nkosi wakamngadi, the founder and owner of Insika Yesizwe Productions and Insika Yesizwe TV and also Insika Yesizwe online radio station. Bafowethu ke namhlanje ke it's the first episode of acting class 102. Namhlanje ke siyaqala njengoba sasithembisile. So if uqala ungena kwi channel yethu namhlanje ngicela ke ulike, usubscribe and share le video esiyenzayo namhlanje. Don't forget ukushare ama comments on the comment section. Usitshele ukuthi ke wena ufisa ukufunda ini, ufisa ukwazi ini and ufisa sikhavele ziphi indawo la ka acting. Remember guys, on acting class 102 sifunda yonke into ekhuluma ke nge-acting noma i-industry of entertainment when it comes to acting. Singakhuluma ngokubhala, singakhuluma ngoku-actor, singakhuluma ngoku-editor, singakhuluma ke futhi ke nana ukudirector uqobo lakho. As in camera operator sizokufundisa u-camera operator, sizokufundisa ube u-director, sizokufundisa ube umbhali, sizokufundisa futhi uku-actor. So if uzowalandela lama class njengoba ku-episode 1 namhlanje, uyophuma kule channel noma uyoyiqeda le semester noma le season yalama episode esizowakhipha usuwumuntu osuwelinye izinga when it comes to knowledge, when it comes to industry or acting. So guys, make sure you stick around ukulandela ama episode ngokulandelana kwawo. Nami I will try my best ukuthi ngikufundise ngendlela nami engafundiswa ngayo noma ngendlela sengiyibreak down mina ngayibeka into a format sithi sinama rehearsals, sinama classes, sinana yonke lento engisuke ngiyenza kuma rehearsals nama workshop into engizobe ngiyikhuluma namhlanje la eclassini ukuze siyibreak down lento acting course. If ubukisisa kahle incwadi ayifani noma uthola knowledge kumuntu oseyenza lento osezobreak down yena yonke lento eyibeke into a perspective ozoyi-understand as umuntu ohleli ekhaya noma umuntu ongakaze eye kwi-workshop noma kwi-acting class. So ngicela ke ungakhohlwa ukulike, usubscribe, wenze sure press ibell ukuze mesi-upload ivideo efana nale ukwazi ukuthi ke unotifyeke, ukwazi ukuthi ungene kwi-channel uyibuke le video. So wenza o-live, usobenza o-live sisestudio noma sikuma rehearsals sikulethela wona futhi lo msebenzi waka-acting. So guys, asingamoshi isikhathi, let's just get into it. Episode yanamhlanje noma ngithi class lokuqala lethu la namhlanje sizokhuluma ke ngento ehlukile noma ngento engithi mina ngihlezi ngithi kubantu kumele beqale kuyona if befuna ukuba ama actors. Kumele bekwazi ukuhlukanisa the difference between i-theater ne-filming. These are two different genres kodwa ke i-industry eyodwa yaka-acting. As ama-actors we get into these industries kodwa lezi zinto zo-2 zigcina ziklasha when it comes to ama-rules ukuthi ama-rules aka-theater kanjani, ama-rules aka-filming kanjani. But mina like I always tell abafundi bami noma ke ama-actors noma ama-actresses zami ukuthi i-theater is the foundation of acting. Mina every time I teach someone something ngokwaka-filming I always try my best ukumfundisa ngokwaka-theater. And then change leyo nto esengifundise yona from what it is ka-theater to filming because it's one and the same thing. Ama-rules angapha sometimes ayi-opposite ngala, sometimes ayafana, sometimes uma wasebenza ngapha iwona futhi agcine kwenza ube way more better than umuntu ongakaze yenze i-theater on stage noma umuntu ongakaze idlale into ekuthiwa i-dramatic art. So i-theater ngokwami is the foundation of acting. So lama classes ngizobe ngigijima phezu kwalawo mazwi lawo ngikuvezela ama techniques o Stanislavski, ngikuvezela ama word deliveries mhlambe o Shakespeare and all of that stuff and try to break it down ngikubuyisele yona la ka filming ukuthi how do you apply those techniques owezwa kukhulunywa ngawo ko theater wa apply la on screen which will make your character way more advanced kunalama characters angakaze edlule esikoleni se drama noma esikoleni se theater. But we'll try to bear nalabo futhi abangakwazi abangakaze bedlule ilabo bazokwazi ukuyithola khona lemithetho le ukuthi hawu ka theater content nje ka filming isinto nje hawu ngapha content nje ngapha isinto nje. So that's why we are trying to make sure ukuthi understand ukuthi why do we say theater is the foundation of acting. So let's get into it. The difference between these two things noma ngithi lama categories omabili noma ngithi lama genres omabili ka theater guys we all understand ukuthi we are taught to create a character. Mesinikeziwe i-character kuthiwa okay, you are given a character to play a character, a role or something. Naka acting, naka filming is the very same thing. You are given a role before you even get into stage. I mean, if you get into front of the camera, normally you get into set. Your character will nigga on a script, or director just directs you to play according to what he's written down like a script sack. So it's the same thing na theater. You are given a character. So when you are given a character, the first thing abantu abasuke beyilahle kakhulu noma athi ngize kanje break it down kanje, asike sithi let's break down how you develop a character. Umthetho lona ukhona indawo zo2 ika theater naka filming. How do you develop noma ukwakha i-character? If you are given a character by director ethi ubani uzodlala ube umkhulu, you are given a character to play umkhulu. On i-theater ke you are even given a character uzodlala umkhulu ungena umkhulu. So it's not a realistic genre like in filming. But it's the same thing. If you are given a character ka-realistic noma ngapha kalokhu njani, mawunikezwa i-character kuthiwa dlala ube umuntu othize, how do you actually get to kulowo muntu kanjalo? Rule number 1, the first rule that was given by Staniff, he said you have to use the 7 W's. Now I like to break it down to 4 because one of my W's lawa that's build up what you are and build up what you are about to become and build up the message you are about to portray to umuntu okubukayo on the screen noma on the audience. So these 4 W's, they are used in such different ways ngendlela yokuthi iwona khandela lento fanele ube yona. Angikuchazele ukuthi lawo ma W's aqonda ukuthini. There is how, there is who, there is where, and there is when. If you can implement these 4 W's before you get on set or before you get on stage, you will never go wrong when it comes to giving out a character, especially kuma auditions. When you are given a character kuma auditions, kuthiwa dlala ube usibanibani or deliver a monologue uba into ethize. I know kuma auditions it's either you are given before ukuthi uzodlala ube yini, or you are given on set ukuthi udlala ube yini. Asike sithi you have prepared monologue yakho, why deliver, and the directors say okay, we see you siyakubona but we're not yet impressed, ngisacela udlalela uyinto ekanje. So lapho uyazunywa to play leyo character leyo. So if uzunywa to play a character, these 4 W's will help you ukuthi instantly ukwazi ukudeliver noma ukudlala ungakazi uhambe uyo research. Remember they say noma remember is story noma umthetho uthi you have to research a character. That's what the rules say. You have to research a character. But what if you are given a character ngaleyo ndawo on the spot? That's where the 4 W's enter. Ila ngena khona lama 4 W's. Who, where, how, and when. Let's break them down to understand ukuthi asebenza kanjani. Who? First of all, you are given the character. Dlala ubosibanibani noma kuthiwa ngicela udlala noma yini ongazi uyidlala. Immediately mele ufake who ekhanda. Who will I be? Who will I play? Noma unikiwe kuthiwa dlala. Wena ubale uyikhanda uthi okay kuthiwa ngumkhulu. Umkhulu owubani? Mhlawumbe umkhulu uSibiya. Oh, umkhulu uSibiya uneminyaka emingaka umkhulu uSibiya. You have to understand your character while they are still explaining what you're about to do on stage. When already you have to be planning ngalo hulo. Then you give the how. When I enter on set noma on stage, how did I get there? Mengena nje on set noma mengena on stage. How did I get there? I have to know leyo nto without even playing it. I'm not going to give you ngokulandelana kwawo, but I'm just gonna give you randomly ngokwakho. You're gonna have to master lama lokhunja nama W's ngendlela wena uzomasterisha ngawo. So mase ngithi when, you have to showcase ukuthi isikhatsini or ngama lines akho. If you're on stage, you have to portray message ukuthi sekuseni, isemini, intambama, ikuphi. So on set kuyafana, i-lighting yakho in yakho, you have to understand ukuthi inini manje, isemini, isebusuku, isekuseni, ise-breakfast, all of the stuff you have to understand kuze ikise lapha ku when, I mean ku how you got there, when you got there, and what time it is. Cause what time isikhathi kuyangena lapha ukuthi isikhathini yabo ukuthi wena nini manje. Yabo, these 4Ws more break it down uthi kuphi, wenzani, ubani, inini. Yonke lento, if you master lama 4Ws, you can actually portray a character in no time. Once what to director action already, when you already have a full vision of the character you want to play, and you have a full break it down ekhanda wayihlukanisa into different parts ukuthi mawungena stage usungena ususibani bani. Now when you are delivering a monologue, now I'm going to bring lento zowu2 ngihlanganise because uma auditions awona abalekile, because it's the first thing you could ever be asked to do is a monologue. Kuma actors ami, this is how I break ama monologue down. I just broke a character down into ngama 4Ws. Ukuthi if you are given a character, you have to implement these 4Ws. Ngizongena ko magic if kup nani, that's for another day. If sesifuna ukukhuluma ukukhala, sikhuluma ngani. Right now sisa break it down lezi zinto lezi fanele sihlukanise. Now we are moving into a monologue. Lama 4Ws they work yonke indawo engakho ngiqale ngawo. Kwi monologue, the first thing oya ku set noma moya ku audition, the first thing ama-directors azokubuza azocela usidilivele noma azokucela usidilivele i-monologue. First of all, i-monologue yakho uyi-researchile, where you directed to get a monologue, or i-monologue uvele wafika nawo wathiwa instantly ngicela usidilivele i-monologue ethi ngani. And wena mawuzodeliver i-monologue, ngike ngiyihlukanise kanjena kwama-actors. I just say there is 3 types of monologues, noma levels angathi ngama-type. This helps me to break it down umuntu ongayifundanga i-art noma ongayifundanga i-drama noma ongayifundanga mhlawumbe i-filming, ukuthi ndiyathi 3 types of monologues. Kune-high monologue, kune-middle monologue, kune-low monologue. Wonke lama monologue lawa ngiyawa-breaka down ngendlela zami ezihlukene ukuze ukwazi ukufundisa umuntu ongakaze acte uku-acta. You have to break it down ngale ndlela engizokuhlukanisela ngawo. This will help lo muntu ukuthi whenever he gets an opportunity or she gets an opportunity to deliver, ekwazi ukuzibona ukuthi yena ume kuphi kulama monologue lawa. U-high monologue, I always use it kakhulu kulabantu abathanda ukujabula ba-hype. Yabo, monologue edlala umuntu ebephezulu ayinayo lokhunjani. Sometimes you see it in movies, sometimes you see it in drama, kunomuntu ohlezi ehype ola. But these kind of monologues are rare. It's ubona umuntu awadeliver mhlawumbe unilotho, maybe mhlawumbe kanjani. Nokuthetha also goes into ama high monologue. Umuntu thothi manje uyathetha uyabo uphezulu. You can actually mix lezi zinto, but ngizokutshela egcineni ukuthi wamix kanjani. Mase uba khona i-middle monologue. A middle monologue is where you're just talking, like awuna climax, awehli awunyuki, you just la delivering in a line, a straight line enganyuki engehli, it's just straightforward. That's a middle monologue. Ngokuhlukanisa kwami to my actors, I just wanna make you understand this. Ungathi hayibo angiyazi ke le, ngiyahlukanisela njengoba ngisho ukuthi if you're going to continue with this class uzowazwa ukuqhubeka kwesikhathi ukuthi why was I saying ngiwahlukanisa kanje. Then there's this low one. The low monologue is actually used mostly by everyone who want to act, especially girls. Amantombazane kakhulu ayithanda i-low monologue, namajida futhi ayithanda. The reason to be why beyithanda, it's because it's the easiest to convince ama-directors that you can act, which is a very emotional monologue noma an emotional monologue. La bafuna ukhipha khona inyembezi, umuntu ufuna uqale phansi. It's that emotional monologue. That emotional monologue is the highest rated monologue edeliver kakhulu. By my understanding, esengiyibona idlala kakhulu, everyone wants to go for a low monologue because wonke umuntu ufuna ukukhala to just prove ukuthi I'm an actor, ngifuna ukukhala, ngifuna ukuveza ama emotions and all of that stuff. Now to break down wonke lama monologue kanje, mase ube ugcinayo ukwazi ukuyimixa yonke. Thothi umuntu uqala ekhala, uyamuzwa, uyakwazi ukunyuka, uyakwazi ukwehla, uyakwazi ukubalansisa. That's a real acting. Kodwa wonke futhi ungakwazi ukwenza kanjalo, but kumele uzazi ukuthi u-strong kuphi, ushaya kuphi kakhulu, kule phezulu, kule phansi nendawo noma kule phansi. Just to make sure ukuthi whenever ukuleyo point ushaya kakhulu ukuze yenze i-difference kumuntu okubukayo noma engithi olalele. So you have to make sure ukuthi uyazazi as umuntu odelivayo ukuthi wena u-strong kuphi kulawa monologues lawo. Mengibuya la siyaqhubeka siyangena into details ekutheni ke manje how do you actually break down noma nga one, how do you deliver monologue yakho ibe kulamazinga when it comes to middle, high and low? We're going to get into that masibuya la. Right. So now, to get into what I was trying to get into ekuqaleni ukuthi ke how do you actually get the monologues to work together ewonke? First of all, asiqale kule phansi. Abantu who actually want to show off noma who wants to showcase ama-skills abo nge-low monologue, which means bafuna ukukhombisa ama-emotions. Now you wanna understand ukuthi kukhalwa kanjani. That's the rule. That's the first rule. Omunye uthi ngideliver kanjani i-low monologue ibe nesisindo noma ingene ku-director eyizwe. Yabo leyo nto. First of all, it's showing emotion. How do you show emotion when you're actually delivering a low monologue? Noma monologue emotional. First of all, you have to control your breathing. That's step number one. You have to control your breathing. Ukuphefumula is very important when it comes to delivering a low monologue. We are covering a low monologue kwamanje. Siyaya la ngaphezulu. Ukuphefumula is very important when it comes to delivering a low monologue. How do you control ukuphefumula? You have to use a system called diaphragmatic breathing, which is where you breathe from your diaphragm. Right here. I-diaphragm ileya ndawo leya kunolayini la esiswini sakho, which is called a diaphragm. Lo line it works more uphefumula sithi siphinde siphume. That's what a diaphragm does. It controls uphefumula, your breathing, ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi breathe in and out. If you can actually make lo diaphragm ibambe whenever you are delivering your lines, it will give you much more more emotion when it comes to your line deliveries. Cause if ukwazi ukuphefumula, for an example, mengathi mina ma uyangihlukumeza, that's a straight line. But if I say ma yabo, even ngiyokhuluma that the way you can control your vocals with your breathing at the same time, that will give you much more better delivering and nawuzozizwa. Even your tears might even come like emehlweni akho the time you're actually using your breathing, which is a very, very, very high skill that you have to know. You have to know how to control your breathing if you deliver a low monologue. That bouncing voices, that waves that you can do with your with phefumula wakho, that's key to making monologue yakho ibe simple and straight. 2 is the way you flow. Now, whenever you deliver a monologue, it's like you're in a wave. You have to know how umkhumbi are like waves on top of amagagas. If you can actually deliver a monologue ezokuthatha umuntu ohleli phansi, because as actors you have to understand this. Mesingama actors, we are the most sine impact when it comes to playing our emotions omuntu ukudlula yonke into. Music yes iyakwenza iyakwenza, but acting is very powerful because more yi-actor uyakwazi ukucontrola ama-emotions omuntu, ukwazi ukumenza ekhale while you're acting on stage or phambi kwekhamera umuntu ebuka imovie ezephiqiza inyembezi umbone esesula ngethawula. Khona kusanjalo kushintsha ekudlala icomedy, khona moshintsha i-channel ufika kudlala icomedy sekudlala Mr Bean, out of nowhere useyahleka umuntu ade ekhala manje. So acting is very powerful. So ngeke ngikhale noma ngiphathe kabuhlungu umuntu mayedlala nge-acting because it is very powerful. Ukuze ubone ukuthi i-powerful kangakanani. Have you ever seen umuntu, I know every actor ngisho kuthiwa uNtswempu kanjani, kukhona noma umuntu osanda soapies kakhulu, kukhona lo muntu ozondwayo kimi kuthiwa ayingamzondo sibanibani, ayangicika amadlala yena futhi ngithi ngiphume ngahambe. Leyo muntu abamzondayo, you have to know ukuthi that's a very powerful character because lento atshelwe ukuthi ayidirect ukuthi ayidlale, he actually plays it and people believe that le message ayiportray lapha uyiyona exactly lo muntu. So it's very important ukuthi whenever you play, make people believe that you will leyo nto oyidlalayo. And it's the best feeling ever ukuze umuntu ethi ngiyakuzonda wena wenza lokho emovie ethize. That means he actually kholela lo nto ukuthi you actually did that. kulowo muntu, and she or he believes ukuthi wawileyo nto. We have seen a lot of scary movies where iy'ngane zibaleka uma yibona umuntu oyedlala i-main character on a scary movie, which means i-character yakhe was portrayed in such a way that it made impact to still ikhanda lo muntu ukuthi loya muntu uyile nto ayiyona. I can even make an example, a massive example, kumuntu owadlala the most biggest character in the world. Engathi mina it was the most biggest character in the world cause ekugcineni yaba ne-impact empilweni yakhe his entire life. Lo muntu wadlala i-character kaJesu on the movie yakaJesu, I think it was called ngisalukhumbula igama layo, but lo muntu actually his career almost like it ended ngaleya character iyodwa. Yes, he tried to move around, but ekugcineni everyone started saying nah imvana, that's God. Now, that's Jesus. Everyone believed that no one had an image of how he is until that movie played. And out of nowhere, Marosana, Masonto, everywhere his face was everywhere. He even filed a complaint to say abantu abayeke ukuthi uyena uJesu. Because now that character was so believable ukuthi uJesu nangu unjeyana nje siyambona thina. People are like, no, he's just an actor, but he was actually ngishabe emgaqweni akasakwazi ukuhamba because wambona ehamba emgaqweni nangu uJesu. Even anyone ofana naye membona ehamba emgaqweni kuthiwa nangu uJesu. So that was a very powerful character. That's how powerful acting is. You have to understand that. So whenever you deliver, make sure ukuthi you deliver the right thing because ekugcineni udlala ngemizwa nama feelings omunye umuntu. So you have to know ukuthi whenever you play, you have to make sure that you are impacted umuntu ohleli lapha phansi. We have power as actors. So leonto it's good. That's how you actually can show yourself that you are a real actor if umuntu ezokuzonda ekuzondela character oyidlalayo or umuntu ezokuthanda if udlala character oyidlalayo. That means into yenzayo is perfect and you actually portray message believable to abantu. So let's get back to the low monologue. Bese ngenze nje example kancane the power of acting. Ukuthi inkulu kangakanani acting if uyibukisisa kahle, it can ruin your life, it can even build your life. So that's how powerful, and it can ruin impilo zabantu abahleli ngale on screen because people can actually portray what you play begcine beyenza ngaphandle, which is not on us as actors but on the directors that actually write those scripts. But ekugcineni I don't judge, I'm just saying ukuthi acting is very powerful. It's very powerful. So let's get back to where we were. You have to know how to wave. More wave dlala ngemizwa. That's where you can actually move ama monologues, ama lines akho from low to middle, from high uya phansi. You have to know how to climax your lines, you have to know how to decrease your lines, you have to know how to make them just flow. Leyo nto ngizokufundisa when you go on, ngizokufundisa ngise rehearsal so lezi kuzoba lula uyabona ama examples enziwa ukuthi how do you actually roll your lines noma wenze ebe wave. It's simple but uzoyibona when I'm outdoors noma ngise studio, I mean ngise rehearsal space. I will teach you that, so stay tuned. Wakhohlwa subscribe, ulike, ushare. Let's get on to it. Sithe kumele ufunde breathing, ukuphefumula, sathi ufunde ukuwave. The biggest mistake that people do whenever they are delivering monologues or even on set, body movement. Yes, your facial expression is very important. Yes, akulapho kodwa iyangena nayo labo breathing nani, but la ngifuna ungena khona kakhulu body movement. Guys, why do people forget how they move on stage or on a rehearsal? I mean on an audition. Why do you forget how to move? Because ekugcineni you are given a character, you build the character, you actually made the character, you deliver those lines, but if your body is not moving towards, noma is not moving as the character has to, uzolahla ama marks amaningi ugcina ufail le audition noma ugcina ucancel ungacastwa. The reason to be inkinga yaleyo nto ukuthi abantu bathanda ukuma on the center of the stage. Ume udeliver uzuqede ungakazi umove. Yes, if you directed ukuthi wenze njalo, you can do that. Kodwa if you are just given a line noma unikezwe a certain name ekuthiwa dlala, why do you want to stand in one position for more than 1 minute or something? Because ama monologues they run at least for a minute or just direct angazo director abaningi benza kanjani, but I think it's just a minute or something. So if you are given a character to move, you have to move. And every time directiwe, you have to know ukuthi lento idirectiwe is exactly what you do. So now if unikezwe i freelance ukuthi freestyle, just make sure ukuthi you give out your best. Now, how do you balance ke i-stage if you are given an audition to stage? Khona ama-auditions asephambi kwekhamera kanje kuthiwa ima lapho deliver uqede. Mase kuba khona i-monologue where you are given i-monologue kuthiwa you are on stage. When you're on stage, you have to implement i-movement ye-stage. I-stage ihlukene kaningi, ihlukene kawu-6 if I'm not mistaken. Kukhona o-upright, o-left right, o-middle right, kube khona o-down left, o-down right, o-down middle. Sihlukene i-stage. Now, if you are given a character on stage, kodwa auditionally move, try to implement lama movement lawa move around the stage to show ukuthi you understand ukuthi you on stage not on set. Yize u-auditionela i-film, but you have to know how to move around nge-stage. So i-stage kumele ukwazi ukusifunda sisodwa ukuthi i-space ekunikezwe sona singakanani. I always say to ama-characters ami, i-stage ne-set kwi-box, that's 4 walls, but idonga la ngaphambili lokugcina lesi-4, that's an imaginary wall. It's an invisible wall. So whenever you play, you have to master that wall as udonga olukhona. So whenever you are given an audition noma i-monologue and sekuthiwa deliver, you have to know ukuthi phambi kwami yes khona i-camera noma khona abantu abangibukayo, but uhowe wami loya we-W wahwe, you have to understand ukuthi bengise-camereni noma ngise-dining, kunosofa abadla, kunombhedo noma kunetafula la ne-coffee table la, on front of me is my TV. Khona ilokunya la khona, you have to understand we fourth wall ukuthi le invisible wall iyini on set and on ilokunjani on the stage. Ngizongena ku stage namakhona of i-setup, ngisazongena kuyona sengigxile kuyona manje, ngisadlula nje kuyona ukuthi you have to understand ukuthi i-movement yakho ifanele ilinke noku-understand ukuthi ukuphi. Made khona itafula la lingekho as a prop uwenze audition, you have to know ukuthi khona itafula lapho, ungathi wena ade ube iglass la invisible nakhona cause use stage udlule phezu kwaleyo glass usuya lapha khona sofa khona yonke into lapho uyabuya i-stage sakho uyahliphisa nje uyasiqeda. You are we audition, but kumele ube nomqondo we-actor le-theatre. If you are on stage though and you are not given udonga limhlophe njengolami kuthiwa ima udeliver, if you are given a setup on stage, you have to know how to move around the stage. Ngizosikhuluma ke-stage kakhulu because i-stage siyafana ne-set and isona sizokwenza ukuthi umasterishe yonke into eyenzeka on set, because on stage izinto isuke zenzeka kodwa zi-invisible. So zi-invisible, so it's your imagination to imagine ukuthi khona usofa la, khona ini la, khona ini lapha, khona ini lapha. On set mostly zisuke zikhona lezo zinto, kodwa if ungekho focus ekutheni zikhona, ungagcina uyingqubuza kosofa uthi uyadeliver usufike kusofa la, because manje awumastile ngomqondo ukuthi la emva kwami khona i-character la mengiphendwa khona camera 1, khona mekuthiwa move ngala, same time umqondo wakho kumele uweke while kwenzeka, because mekuthiwa camera 1 camera 2 wena kumele kufanele uma uphenduka uthi ungavele uqonda ne-camera 2 nje ngqo emehlweni kanje uqhubeke kwi-lens ngqo. So you have to master ukuthi kune-lens lapha, kune-lens engala, kune-light engafanele ngishaye kanje lapho. So i-stage is the first place uzofunda ukwenza yonke leyo nto, because e-stage yonke into usuke imagina, it's not there, usuke imagina, i-prop yakho isuke ingekho. So if you can master i-stage saka-stage saka-theatre, you can be perfect when it comes to i-theatre, I mean i-setup yakho, because ila uzokwazi ukumasterisha khona sonke izinto. Ayikho into ehlungu ukuthi uyaphenduka ade u-camera 1 uthi uyadlala uthi ubheka eceleni kanti ubuka camera 2 ngqo emehlweni. Leyo nto leyo will make ngisho director ukuthi ayi uqona ne-camera but uthi grana yona. So you have to be sure ukuthi ama-movements akho uyawagada. I think ngenxa yesikhathi angeke ngisayiqeda eyaleyo monologue, noma ngithi ngiyiqedile leyo monologue. Mesiqhamuka sesibuya sengena into details ku-middle monologue no-high monologue, then mase ke siyahlukana futhi sesiyongena ke manje sesiyaphuma kuma monologues, sesiyongena ke manje la on i-setup yakho ukuthi how do you actually understand i-setup yakho. Kunamagama abizwa lapha on set, kunezinto ezimeyibizwa wena as an actor zikuhlula uku-understand ukuthi uthini director, uthini DOP, uthini ubani, because manje kunamagama asetshenziswayo lapha ya now futhi songena kuona kuleyo episode ke leyo noma ke leyo class. So bese ngena naka directing. So if uthanda uku-understand language ya direct, obviously now uyafuna ukudirect uya-actor futhi uyathanda mhlambe one day ukuba udirector, sizongena into zonke lonto lezo kodwa ke kuyivideo yethu elandelayo. But ke ukuze ke nginganimoshe isikhathi kakhulu, ama-class ayomade kakhulu, angenze kanje. Ungakhohlwa ukulike, usubscribe and share le video. Until kule video elandelayo noma kwiclass elilandelayo sizobonana. Ngiyonitshela ukuthi kokuzayo kuningi okuzobe kuthe. Nawuza umtholo ungakanani? Sazo-breaka down kaningi ukuze u-understand uphume kuleli class uyi-actor, u-director, umbhali, uyi-editor, uzoyibona into esazokwenzeka. So don't forget like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe kule channel. Until our next video, thank you.